On the 12 days of appetizers Uncle Chris made for me, stuffed mushrooms. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Nieces and nephews, welcome to the 12 days of Christmas appetizers with myself and Simply Meals. I am so excited to do this, and yes, we're doing stuffed mushrooms. They're simple, they're tasty, and decadent at the Christmas holidays. Okay, let's get started. I've got some hard Asiago cheese. I have shredded up as much Asiago cheese as I have cream cheese, so it's a 50-50 balance, okay? I've also got one chopped onion. I got some bacon, and of course I've got some mushroom caps. Let's do this. We're gonna first saute up our bacon and our onions. Let's go to the stove. In my wonderful cast iron skillet, I'm gonna put about 6 strips of bacon, but I'm gonna cut them up with my with my kitchen shears. I got a little oil in this pan. I'm just cutting it up like that, okay? We're going to fry this bacon so it's crispy and break it up as much as we can, okay? I don't know about you, but it's the sound of bacon sizzling. It just reminds me of morning time. I don't know what it is. All right, let's get this going. All right, we have crisped up our bacon. I'm going to remove it. I want to put our chopped up onions to get that flavor. Now that I've got our onions translucent, I'm going to strain them and we're going to put this together. All right, I've got my bacon and onion mixture right here. I've got some green onions here that I'm going to chop up real quick. This always gives any hors d'oeuvre or dip at the holidays a very festive look and that taste that you're like, yeah, you know. Now, we're going to put in our green onion. We've got our shredded Asiago cheese. Putting in our bacon and onion mixture. Now let's put in our cream cheese. Oh, yes. This makes a lot. And it's perfect, it's simple, it's inexpensive, more importantly. Now we're just gonna, oh, I also want to mention, you want to have your cream cheese at room temperature so that it can do what I'm doing right now. Mix up, okay? You'll crush up your bacon, that's fine. See how I'm doing this and turning the bowl? All right, let's get this completely mixed and we'll start stuffing our mushrooms. All right, now that we got this all mixed up, and the kitty cat's begging for some. No. We're going to start to stuff our mushrooms. Just take your little filling. Take a mushroom. We're going to fill it to capacity. Set it on our tray. Line your tray with aluminum foil, okay? I'm going to stuff all of these. And then we're going to put some more cheese on top. Okay, I've got them all stuffed. Now I'm going to take some more of that cheese. I'm going to put a little bit on each one. So we get a nice brown topping of bubbly cheese. My sister has already eaten one. Snitches get stitches.
And end up in ditches.
Okay. Now I'm going to bake these for 10 to maybe 12 minutes or until they're golden brown on top with a little bubbly. All right. We'll be right back. Nieces and nephews, look at this. How good are those? Oh, look at this. Yes. Yes, nieces and nephews, these came out great. Anybody hungry over there?
Me.
Hello? Now they want to be quiet. All right. I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. I want you to write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I know it's a lot at one time. Buy me a cup of coffee if you can. Also, check out Simply Meals website. Not website, what is it? Her channel. I'll put a link down below, okay? Watch all 12 days. There's going to be a cash prize, okay? I believe that's $50 this year. And then we've got two other prizes for $10. Remember, first place is $50. So come on now, let's get this. Let's do this. I know nieces and nephews, you can do it, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. No, it's not Sarah. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.